It's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, where I help cleaning business owners learn how to price, bid, and win commercial cleaning contracts with confidence. Now, what do you do when a client says your price is too high? Why detailed proposals win contracts? Your proposal, y'all, is a reflection of your business. Make it stand out, not blend in. And in this video, I'm going to share a real client response to show you the power of a well-written proposal. Even though the client mentioned my price was higher than others, they admitted that it was the most detailed proposal they had ever received and truly wanted to work with my company. So here's the quote. Good morning, Karen. Thanks for your proposal. Much appreciated. I have to completely be honest with you. This was one of the most detailed proposals I have ever received, and I truly want to choose your company. However, the cost is a little too high for our budget. Would you be willing or able to sharpen your pencil and bring it down? I currently have bids in the mid 200s per visit. Please let me know what can be done. And so I said, I'm on a project today. Can we talk tomorrow? He said he would greatly appreciate it and he can't wait to talk to me tomorrow. So this is why I tell cleaning business owners, your proposal isn't just a number. It's your reputation on paper. And in this video, you'll also see the finished floor on that project we did. And we're completed for today. And I completed it with the help of my friend James Grimes from Grimes Away LLC. So just so you know, like this here, like I always say, your proposal, like you'll walk with the contact person, but the decision maker sees your proposal. So you want to make your proposal speak for your company. And I master that. I make sure I do that. I represent and I make sure that they know that I know what they want. And I make it detailed in the proposal. And I wanted this contract. So I'm here at the office now because before I talk to him tomorrow, I'm going to make it make sense to me. Because if they go for the deep clean, like I put in the quote, then I can go down on the event cleaning because it'll be clean already. It's just will be a matter of maintaining. So I'm here now so I can play with the numbers and upload my video of my content for the day. But I just had to do this video to share with you guys what my client said. And that's not the first time I gotten that. It's just this. I got this today. He said this is the most detailed proposal he has ever got. All right, y'all. I see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, y'all. If you like this content, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. See you guys soon. Okay, so this is the second day progress. Actually, we're kind of done with this part until I see if you need us to go deeper. This was a job. So I just want you to see how the floors did look, how they came out. It's a close view. Then I'll give you a wide view. Now there's the bad part we didn't touch. you know, along with the edges. This is kind of like in the middle. Okay, so this is it for today. All right, y'all. This is what we got done today. He said just get the basic now. Wait till tomorrow and see if they want us to go deeper. But this was hard. And I could not have done it without my boy here, James Grimes. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Anytime.
All right, so.
You're working, sweating and everything.
I'm sweating too. All right, man. I'm good. Wait, I just gotta lock up. All right, so. Oh, I gotta get these mop buckets and stuff.